pins that you're going to use for those. So to start out with, we're going to take these two pieces, the bigger sides, and we're going to put them together. We're going to have the flat side facing inward. Okay, then we're going to take the slats and we're going to stick it in the notch right here. And make sure you press down so that it fits on there. So you're going to do this on both sides first. Okay, there you go. So now you have that. And you're going to take the other ones, do the same thing. And sometimes you have to just go back and make sure they're all fitted in correctly. Make sure they're pushed down so they fit tight. And then you're going to take the pieces with the flat sides, and you'll see inside here there's a little part with a notch. So you're going to put the flat side toward the middle. You're going to push these down to where they fit just like this. They should be just as tall as the other sides. Okay. Same thing on the other side here. Then you're going to take your little pins and you're going to put them through the top. This is what's going to make them tight. So you're going to put these pins through the top here on each